Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about an important issue that affects one of the more vital industries in the Mediterranean regions, the tourism. With the rise of digital tools, this industry is facing big challenges in IT security. Let's take a look at these problems and the solution we can offer. In the Mediterranean, the tourism is a key part of its economy. It contributes a lot to the GPD of many countries in this area. However, the tourism industry relies more and more on data, such as personal, transactional, and behavioral information about travelers. This makes a target for cyber attacks because sensitive data often lacks proper protection. The technological gap between developed European countries and developing nations in North Africa and the Middle East make this situation even worse. So, what is the problem? The tourist sector in the Mediterranean has three main IT security issues. The first one is the weak cybersecurity measure in small and medium-sized businesses, which dominate this industry. After, we have the no unified laws to regulate and standardized cybersecurity practices. And the last one is the high risk of data breaches, ransomware, and phishing attacks due to the poor infrastructure. This issue damage customer trust, disrupt businesses' operations, and threaten regional economic stability. To solve these problems, we propose CyberTourGuard, a real-time monitoring and anomaly detection platform designed for SMBs in tourism. Its key features include instant alert and insight to reduce risk quickly, easy-to-use interface, it's perfect for businesses with limited technical knowledge, and the last one, affordable pricing to make advanced cybersecurity accessible to SMBs with limited budgets. CyberTourGuard is different from general cybersecurity tools because it focuses on real-time detection and specific needs of the tourism industry. Now I'm going to talk about the market context. The tourism industry in the Mediterranean is changing rapidly. Businesses are adopting digital tools for booking and manage the travel, and the customers expect more personalized experiences and mobile payment systems are on the rise. However, several challenges persist. Technology gaps between regions create unequal access to cybersecurity solutions. Many small and medium businesses lack the resource and knowledge to address IT security. Regulations remain fragmented, particularly outside the European, making compliance difficult. At the same time, there are significant opportunities. Growing awareness of cybersecurity, driven by high-profile breaches, is pushing business to act. Government and international organizations are investing in better digital infrastructure. CyberTourGuard stands out as a trust solution, helping businesses secure their data, build the customer trust, and navigate these challenges.
Okay, so let's move on to the proposed solution. So we'll first see the IT product service details. So yeah, Cyber Tour Guard is a solution designed for SMBs in the tourism and shipping industry. So we'll answer the question, what are the key functions? So first, activity monitoring. So the platform continuously tracks various elements within an organization. For instance, it monitors tourist data, including personal information, as well as transportation data such as routes and schedules. Second, the anomaly detection using intelligent algorithm. The platform identifies unusual or abnormal activities. This includes security breaches, unexpected change in data, or irregularities in transportation routes. Next, real-time alerts. Whenever an anomaly is detected, the platform generates real-time alerts directly linked to the activities concerned. These alerts include essential details, the type of alert, the precise timestamp, and its status, whether resolved or still ongoing. Finally, the location management. So each monitored activity is associated with a specific location. These features enables detailed tracking by geographical area or predefined location types. So now I will present to you the key functionalities of a platform. So first, the centralized software integration. So yes, this platform offers a unified software solution that allows organizations to monitor and analyze their operation from a single interface. This ensures streamlined workflows, improved efficiency, and cohesive management across all activities. Second, activity analysis. So the platform continuously evaluates operational activities connected through checks to detect anomalies quickly and with precision. This capability empowers organization to address issue before they escalate. Third, a clear visualization. So when alerts are generated, they are structured in an intuitive format directly linked to the specific activities being monitored. This clarifies, simplifies, this clarity simplifies analysis and aids in faster, more effective decision making. And finally, geographical tracking. So every activity is tied to a specific location, enabling organization to monitor and respond to anomalies based on region or types of seats. So yes, let's move on to the benefits for SMBs. So firstly, the operational optimization. So by promptly detecting anomalies, businesses can act immediately to prevent major disruptions, whether it's avoiding delays in shipping schedules or safeguarding tourist data. Secondly, enhanced data security. So, real time monitoring offers proactive protection for sensitive information, including client details and shipping plans. So, this safeguard not only builds trust but also reinforces the integrity of your business processes. Thirdly, informed decision making. With precise alerts and centralized insights, SMBs can swiftly identify issues, analyze their root causes, and implement tailored solutions. So, this data driven approach fosters smarter strategies and more effective management. And finally, improve customer satisfaction, obviously. By efficiently managing anomalies, businesses can significantly reduce their interruptions, creating a seamless experience for their clients. This translates directly into happier customers and stronger loyalty.
Okay, so let's move on to the visual representation of our IT security platform. I will also talk a bit about the outline of development steps, quality checks, and security measures. But let's start off with the ERD. And this illustrates the structure of our system with key entities such as organization, software, activity, location, and alerts. And each entity plays a crucial role in maintaining the system's functionality. The software, for example, it's the very central entity here. It monitors activities and generates alerts whenever anomalies are detected. And the relationships between these entities, such as uses and generates, enable a smooth and consistent flow of data throughout the system. And the structure ensures that each component contributes to both the monitoring and also the response. And so this is our context level data flow diagram. And this level really just gives us an overview of how different external entities like customers and admins interact with the IT security platform. And while this level only really provides an overview, I think the level 0 data flow diagram shows more. So let's move on to that. So this is our level 0 data flow diagram, which more breaks down the internal processes of the platform. And to walk you through, the system first starts off by authenticating the user, the customer, in this case, to ensure the secure access. And once this access is granted, the system continuously monitors operational activities. And any irregularities or anomalies detected by the system are then stored in the alert log, while the routine activity data is recorded and stored in the activity log. And we think separating anomalies in the alert log from regular activity in the activity log really helps the system focus on potential threats without being overwhelmed stored routine data, by storing routine data. And the alerts generated from anomalies are then shared with the customers and the admins. And also, comprehensive reports are created providing insights from the analysis and improving decision making. And as for the outline of development stages, quality control, and security measures, we'll talk more about the development stages later in the presentation, but we'll of course have to analyze the small and medium-sized businesses' needs and create the actual program, of course, with real-time monitoring and anomaly detection. And then before launching, we'd have to do pilot testing to gather feedback. And when we actually do get to launch, we'll do it with training programs so that it's easy to use and adapt to. And as for quality control, we'll do continuous user testing to ensure the platform is reliable and easy to use. And also, of course, evaluate system performance under heavy loads, as there might be a lot of data stored on this platform in the future. And of course, security, as we are an IT security platform, we have to have a lot of security on everything stored. And we'll have data encryption to secure the data in both transit and in rest, and also role-based access control so that not everyone can connect and use the platform, of course, and regular backups and rapid recovery protocols, and also multi-factor authentication to add this extra layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before you can actually access the platform and the data stored.
Now I'll present to you the innovative aspects of the solution. For this category, we've chose three main factors. First, real-time monitoring and detection, actionable insights and instant alerts, and finally, customer-focused optimization. For real-time monitoring and detection, we have machine learning algorithms to identify threats proactively. This will be tailored to the unique needs of SMBs in the tourism industry. Also, we will try to be an easy-to-use dashboard designed for non-technical users. Actionable insights and instant alerts. We will reduce response time to cyber threats and integrate with existing systems to minimize operational disruption. And thirdly, we have customer focused optimization. We will build trust by safeguarding traveler data. This will enhance brand reputation through proactive security measures. Now, for marketing, we have our main focus, which is positioning the platform as an affordable and essential cybersecurity solution for SMBs. Our key points will be digital campaigns highlighting case studies and ROI for small businesses. We will also partnership with tourism boards and industry associations to build credibility and have a larger engagement. For sales, we have our target audience, which is SMBs in the Mediterranean tourism sector, and this includes hotels, travel agencies, and local attractions. Our sales model will be a subscription based pricing for scalability, and we will offer tiered plans which will be in different levels of monitoring and support so the customer can choose what's best for them. Now, in final considerations, cost benefit will be low upfront investment compared to the cost of potential data breaches. We have measurable benefits in reduced downtime, fewer breaches. We will also increase customer retention. For revenue streams, we will have subscription fees, as I mentioned before, and we will also have the option to add-ons like advanced reporting or premium support services for a better experience.
Next, I'm going to talk about the development process. The first one, project requirement analysis and planning. We need to really understand what these businesses need. To do this, we talk to resort operators, travel agencies, and tourism boards to find out their biggest cybersecurity challenges. Things like protecting payment info, keeping guest data private, and handling busy seasons with high traffic are some of the key issues we are expecting to tackle. We'll also look at important regulations like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, to make sure our platform meets all the legal and industry requirements. Once we've got all that information, we define the scope of the project, figure out what's doable, and map out a plan that covers the budget, timeline, resources, and performance goal. Next, we move into the design phase, where we select suitable tools and technologies. Then we will create prototypes to test critical features like encrypting data, securing the booking and payment process, and ensuring smooth and safe API communication. These prototypes will help us see what works and what needs tweaking. Once we are confident in the prototypes, we start building the actual system. For the front end, we will create a simple dashboard where users can monitor alerts and generate reports. On the back end, we will build functionalities such as data storage, anomaly detection, and alert generation modules to ensure robust security. System testing will be a critical stage to ensure everything runs smoothly. During integration testing, we will examine how security elements interact with existing booking systems, payment platforms, and customer service tools. This ensures there are no vulnerabilities or conflicts. We will also perform penetration testing and simulated attacks to evaluate the system's resilience. Additionally, we plan to collaborate with several small and medium-sized businesses in the Mediterranean region for trial runs, collecting feedback to refine system features and improve the user interface. When everything is tested and ready, we deploy the system on a cloud platform, configuring servers and databases. To ensure businesses can fully leverage the system, we will provide training sessions on core functionalities, including managing alerts, incident reporting procedures, and basic troubleshooting techniques. Finally, we will implement a robust maintenance and update strategy. We will monitor performance, update the system regularly to handle new cybersecurity threats, and make sure it stays compliant with the latest regulations. We will also gather feedback from users through surveys so we can keep improving and adapting the platform to their needs. At the same time, we will face some challenges related to the system, like dealing with inconsistent legal frameworks, technical limitations, and infrastructure gaps, and handling traffic surges during peak seasons. One of the challenges we will face is inconsistent legal frameworks. The Mediterranean region covers a lot of different areas, each with its own rules, things like data protection laws, maritime regulations, and industry standards. While Europe countries follow GDPR, many non-Europe regions don't have consistent regulations, which makes it tricky to ensure our system complies everywhere. So our solution is we will implement a strategy for regulatory monitoring and updates. This includes conducting regular legal reviews and collaborating with local legal experts to stay on top of any changes in laws and regulations. By staying proactive, we can adapt to the legal differences and make sure our system remains compliant and trustworthy across the region. The second challenge is technical limitation and infrastructure gaps. There are big differences in technology between more developed parts of Europe and less developed areas in North Africa or the Middle East. Some places may not have stable internet, dependable servers, or up-to-date computer equipment. To tackle these issues, our plan is to collaborate with regional IT firms or telecom providers to improve connectivity, promote infrastructure investments, and simplify integration. The last one is traffic surges during peak seasons. During tourist season, a surge in bookings, online inquiries, and transactions can create a large number of concurrent connections, which may slow down system response times. This can lead to increased latency and negatively impact to the user experience. To deal with the issues, we've outlined a few strategies. First, we will use auto-scaling to dynamically allocate resources based on traffic load. Then, we will deploy load balancers to distribute incoming requests evenly across multiple servers. To prevent these problems before they happen, we will run load testing using tools like LoadRunner. This will help us simulate high traffic conditions in advance and optimize system performance accordingly. Cybertour Core emerges as a tell us. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you everyone for listening.